Hello, this is Rochelle Agatha, and this is the lecture for Assignment 1. Please note that Assignment 1 you're going to create from scratch. So you're going to go into the assignment and there will be a PDF of what you're looking at right now on your screen in Excel. So there are 3 parts to this. When you're all done, you're going to have 3 spreadsheets. So for the first part, it says to create the sheet exactly as you see it. Formatting will be similar using Arial font 11. So that means I want this part to be blue. I want the fonts here to be blue, and I want it to look very similar to mine. You're going to type everything that you see in the table. So I tell you to start the assignment, title in A1, and put your name where it says A4. So you can see right here, this is A4. And then from there, I tell you to put the headings in, and they're typed. And the first row of data is going to start in row 7. So note that this is row 6 and this is row 7. So ink cartridges is in C7 and this number is in column B. So you're going to type all of this information is typed as well as this column. Please don't try to copy and paste it. I want you to type it so it looks very much like mine. Then you're going to calculate the extended cost, and I tell you it's quantity times units. So here's your quantity times your unit is your extended cost, and you can see that up in the formula bar. Then as you're following along, I have you sum the quantities and sum the extended cost. So use your sum formula. Then I have you calculate the average. Notice you're using the average of these cells here from G7 through G16. And you're going to average the extended cost. So you're going to do the average of the extended cost and you're going to do the average of the units. And that'll take you down. That'll be part 1, and then you're going to tab color the part. If you're on a Mac, just tell me that when you submit it. And you're going to put your footers in and you're going to name it first initial last name assignment 1. So I'm R. Agatha assignment 1. You might be J. Adams assignment 1. It's just like we do on everything. For part 2, I want you to copy the first sheet from part 1 and name it part 2. You're going to change your heading so it's called part 2, and then you're going to sort the data by the supply item in ascending and renumber B accordingly. So you're going to sort this supply item so that it's in alphabetical order, and then you're going to have to renumber these so that they still go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. And none of this over here should be messed up when you do that. Okay? For part 3, I'm going to tell you to go back to part 1 and copy it again and call it part 3. And then you're going to change your heading. And this time you're going to insert a row after ballpoint pens, create a supply item, and then fix the numbering and follow along with the rest of the instructions. So here I just inserted, which the easiest way to insert is to highlight the row, right click, say insert, and it puts it right there. Okay, I'm going to do that again. So if you were right here on ballpoint pens and you wanted to insert something after it, you would just get on the row after it and hit insert. It would create a blank row, and then you're going to type everything in, just make something up, renumber column B, and then you're going to copy these formulas down. And the easiest way to copy, you learned in previous lectures, is to just highlight the cell, grab the corner, and drag it down. And then you would just make something up and type in the information here. And then once you get done with that, I tell you to highlight it a color just so that I know you did it, and give it a part 3 on your sheet name, and then save it all and submit it. So if you have any questions when you're doing this assignment, send me an email. The key to this is to make it look very similar to mine. Get everything in there nice in order, follow the instructions, and check your math and all your formulas. Thanks.